Welcome to our channel. Today, we're learning how to play Avalon, a strategic social deduction game set in the legendary realm of King Arthur. Designed for 5 to 10 people, players are divided into two teams, the loyal Knights of the Round Table and the deceitful minions of Mordred. The Knights aim to complete quests, while the minions strive to sabotage them. The game is won by the Knights if they successfully complete 3 quests, while the minions win by thwarting the Knights' efforts. It's a battle of wit, deception, and teamwork in a quest for victory in the mythical land of Avalon. To set up, select the score tableau that corresponds with the number of players. Place the score markers, team tokens, and quest cards next to the tableau. Place the round marker on the first quest space. Give each player a set of 2 vote tokens. Assign the first player to play leader and give him the leader token. Assemble the correct distribution of character cards. One of the evil cards needs to be the assassin. One of the good cards needs to be Merlin. Shuffle the cards and distribute one to each player. Players look at their cards and keep them face down. Finally, ask everyone to close their eyes and follow the instructions in this script so that the evil team may know each other and so that Merlin may know who they are. Everyone, close your eyes and extend your fist in front of you. Minions of Mordred, open your eyes and look around so that you know all agents of evil. Minions of Mordred, close your eyes. All players should have their eyes closed and hands in a fist in front of you. Minions of Mordred, extend your thumb so that Merlin may know of you. Merlin, open your eyes and see the agents of evil. Minions of Mordred, put your thumbs down, reform your hand into a fist. Merlin, close your eyes. All players should have their eyes closed and hands in a fist in front of them. Everyone, open your eyes. Alright, we are ready to begin. Every round has 2 phases, a team building phase and the quest phase. In the team building phase, the leader nominates players to go on the quest. In the first quest, for example, 2 people are needed. The leader can nominate anyone, including himself. Then, he calls for a vote. Players, including the leader and nominated players, cast their vote using their tokens. If the majority approves, the nominated team goes on the quest. If it is a tie or majority disapproves, the vote has failed and another nomination begins. Leadership is passed to the next player on the left, and the new leader nominates and calls for another vote. If there are 5 consecutive failed votes in a phase, the evil team wins. If the vote is a success, it is time to go on the quest. The leader passes a set of quest cards to each team member going on the quest. Each player on the quest chooses 1 card, success or fail, and passes it face down to the leader or a non-team member if the leader is on the quest, who shuffles the cards and then reveals them. A quest is successful only if all cards are success. A quest has failed as long as at least 1 card is a fail. For a game of 7 or more players, some quests will require a minimum of 2 fails to fail. A quest is reflected as a success or fail by using the blue or red sides of the score marker respectively. Leadership is passed clockwise and the team building phase for the next quest begins. If you want to make things a bit more exciting, you can use other characters. Please refer to the rulebook for how the other characters are used and the updated script you can use at the beginning of the game. The good team wins if there are 3 successful quests, but the evil team will have a chance to win if they can identify who Merlin is. If they identify wrongly, the good team can proceed to win. The evil team wins if there are 3 failed quests or if there are 5 consecutive failed votes in the team building phase. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this tutorial, Like, share, and subscribe for more game guides. Let us know in the comments which game you'd like to master next.